Hi, this is Simi with Burlington Design Gallery, and today we're showing you Crystal Tempest Quartzite. Crystal Tempest Quartzite is a really bold and vibrant and colorful quartzite. It has a lot of colors. It has this dark bottle green. It has this gorgeous golds. It also has all these white crystal areas, and they actually let the light through them, so this can be backlighted. Once again, it is a very dramatic quartzite. We have opened 2 slabs to show you the book match. You can call flames of fire, you could call a dramatic pattern, but it is absolutely stunning quartzite. You can find it on our website, burlingtondesigngallery.com.